Hi everyone, I am excited to introduce our butterfly neutral collection for our 3-ring super simple. I thought it'd be really pretty to do one that's all kind of in neutrally colors with some beiges and browns and blacks and creams and whites, and anyway, I really love how it's coming together. This is the first video in this collection, so a couple of things. I print all of my pages on 110-pound cardstock. It's a pretty lightweight but not super flimsy cardstock. This particular one, I did not print anything on the back. I did include a neutral in the kit, but I didn't use it because there's only a few spots that you would actually see anything, and I just figured I'd rather just not. So keep that in mind. The other thing you need to keep in mind is this is the cover, and this is where your 3-ring binder will go. So this is like a no-fly zone, right? We want to steer clear of this area because we're going to be punching and putting our rings in after we complete them. If any of you have done the Simply Blue collection, it's going to be the same general ideas, just all different designs. Let's see, I might switch up a few things though, so keep that in mind. And I think that is everything. I've cut everything, I've inked everything, and I'm ready to go. This is my art glitter glue. I just tried to buy these small bottles because I've been having trouble with mine getting plugged. So I'm hoping this will help. We are trying it out. I will let you know in a few months if I still love it. So let's get going. All right, we have our 2 background pockets, and I matched it with this paper because I just thought that would be really striking and really pretty. So that's what we did. I'm going to be using my glue stick for this part, just because I want that really solid, complete coverage. And again, I'm avoiding the no-fly zone here on the edge because that's where those punches are going to be later on. There are going to be 10 videos in the series, and I will post it all down below if you want the same one, or you can check out the something blue collection, which is the same kind of idea, but things are in blue, and that one is completed, and I love how it turned out. All right, moment of truth. I haven't used this before. Ooh, it's a pretty thick bead there. That's gonna squeeze right out of those sides. That's okay. So here I'm just trying to keep them in a straight line right there. I'm eyeballing it. That's never going anywhere with that amount of glue. Let's see if I can do a little less pressure. Ooh. Line that up. Awesome. All right, we're going to be making our tags. I did it different this time. I put the image on the front. I thought that would be kind of fun. So just switching it up a little, keeping it a little different. This is the back of this tag. So you can put that right here. Oh, I just had a brilliant thought. I should put these cute black tabs on both of them. We'll do that with the next set. Or maybe I'll do it with this one before we'll see. We'll see if I remember. I usually forget. We'll get there. All right, so these just go right on top. And this is why I didn't print my neutral on the back, because for this one I wanted a nice chunky tag because it's going in and out of that smaller pocket. So I wanted to keep it thicker, so 2 layers seemed like the better option. I really do try to think these through. I promise. Can't tell if there's an up or down on that one. Beautiful. All right, now all we have left to do on this one is the fun little embellishments. So I'll kind of bring over what we have to pick from. Lots of cuteness. I think I want this one to have a journal. I want, what else would I like there? I think I like this dark accent there too. Yeah, that's pretty. I'm getting close to the no-fly zone. Maybe something circular would be cute. Yeah. And I do have some teeny tinies, which could be fun. I like it. Oh, it's coming with me. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and put that down. So keep in mind that with this kit, with your embellishments, it's okay to come over onto that edge. Just know that it might get punched depending on where you decide to punch your circles on yours, which is fine. And you could also add in some really cute lace on this cover, or some other embellishments that you like, but I kept it really simple because it's a tough mix between keeping everything small and so the journal lies flat, but adding all those fun extras that are just fun to work with. So I I go back and forth trying to meet that balance. I do like this little bottle. It's easy to handle. We'll see if it gets plugged up. That's the real test. All right. So these are gonna come into here. Cute. And then I have a few other embellishments if I want to add more. Like, do I want to add a butterfly? I think I do. I bet my first hole punch will go right about there. So the butterfly might get punched. I'll try to scoot him down a little bit. And then maybe like a little label. That would be cute. Do I like it? Do I love it? That's the question. Ooh, I kind of like the round. I think I'm going to go with the round. I just like that. Maybe I can scoot him up. There's just no avoiding. The butterfly's probably going to get his cute little wings with a hole punch. Fun. And really at this point you can kind of pick what you want. Put it where you want. I mean, even on the backs where these are meant to be journaled, you can put like a little wisdom card or journal or stories. So just keep in mind that you can use these up in the other spots as well, or even on the front if you want a cute little extra, or a number would be cute. Kind of, I like that. Except for I want that to go up here. Yes, I do. I like that. So it's just time to play. And this is a nice, easy one to get us started, because some of them have a little more involvement, but most of them, when you follow along and prep first and everything, it's just easy Makes it nice and easy. So cute. I think I kind of want, do I? Oh, I like that one. Just where? Because I just love this. Maybe I'll use it on another kit in the collection. Okay, so that's it. And you'll see we have some extra pieces with it. That's fine. Save them because they all coordinate and you can use them in one of the others if you see something that you want to try it in. So just keep that and save it. All right. I'll keep you posted on the glue bottle. So there it is, our cover and our first page. Quick run through. These just pull out. Nice and easy. Oh, we could put our airmail on there. Let's do that. I'll do it with my glue stick since I put my other one away. Par avion. Okay. Oh, I kept it on the edge. There we go. So we have our two tiny little journaling pockets. And so what will happen is when it's time to assemble this, I will just glue and glue this all together, and then we'll have our 3-hole punches, and that will be our first page. And it will just continue that way throughout our whole process. I love these neutral colors. Let's zoom down so you can really see them as good as I can. Anyway, way cute, and I'm excited for this neutral set. I think it's going to be lovely. So I'll post everything down below if you need it, and let me know if you have questions, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.